to make the Doh Farm. For now, this is our plan. Number 1, we have the chicken. Number 2, the pig. Number 3, the cow. Number 4, the duck. Number 5, the goat. Colored paper and coloring materials of Play-Doh or modeling clay. I have that. Popsicle sticks. And lastly, illustration board. And now, I'm going to start with the chicken. Next is the pig. And now we are going to make the cow. I'm going to use white, pink, and black, and I'm gonna use googly eyes. This is our cow. I'm done with the chicken, the pig, and the cow. And we are now going to start making the goat. And here is our goat. And last, the dog. And this is our duck. Five animals are done. We're going to make it beautiful, making a wheelbarrow and a windmill.
Move that, here, move there, move everywhere, move, move. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And now we are going to decorate our Gems Farm using signs.
Ba here and a ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba.
There's a moo moo here and a moo
This is the way to Jum's farm. And my farm animals are Bobby the hen and her chicks, Happy the duck and her ducklings, Junior and Pretzel the pigs, Mikey the cow, Jesty the goat. This is my play-doh farm called Jum's Farm. Thank you for watching.